Welcome to Kiddo's Kingdom channel.
Hey friends, let's learn objects that start with A. Explore the alphabet with fun objects. Ape, apple, ant, airplane, anchor. Let's discover and learn together. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Apple. Apple. Ant. Ant. Airplane. Airplane. Ambulance. Ambulance. Astronaut. Astronaut. Alligator. Alligator. Acrobatics. Acrobatics. Art. Art. Abacus. Abacus. Alphabet. Alphabet. Aquarium. Aquarium. Arrow. Arrow. Avocado. Avocado. Amusement park. Amusement park. Athletic. Athletic.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.